so high in this mountain right now, and there's this going on. And I'm on a bridge made out of twigs and stuff. Let's just go on. This is a powerful river. Or creek, I guess. Regardless, it is one powerful body of water. And I think I'm just gonna close up right here and just close my eyes and breathe for a little bit and enjoy this magnificent creation of our planet. Man, we live on a magical planet floating in space. Like, who would have thought this would be over here in the Milky Way galaxy, planet Earth, doing this kind of stuff? I'm just floored and amazed at the beauty and amazingness that is all around me. I'm gonna soak this up, and I just wanted to share.